How to use gestures. You can perform certain actions easily just by moving your phone or using your fingers in different ways. For example, you can silence the phone when it's ringing by turning it over. To use this gesture, tap the phone icon. Then tap the menu button and select Call Settings. Tap the boxes of the gestures you want to use. To silence incoming calls, snooze the alarm, or pause a video, simply turn over the phone. To accept incoming calls, simply bring the phone to your ear. Another gesture that you can use in some apps is the pinch, which makes the words and layout on a screen smaller. The pinch gesture works in contacts, email, messaging, and music. Pinch by touching the screen with 2 fingers and sliding your fingers together. To make the words and layout larger, spread your fingers apart